How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today I'm gonna show you some lesser known hidden Samsung features that will definitely help you to get most out of your Galaxy device. Guys, if you really want to become a pro Samsung user, then do watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. This first one is actually in the phone app. If you just open the dialer, tap on these three dots and then select settings. Here you will see a brand new option called as Bixby Text Call. Now what it basically does is, once you enable this option, Bixby, which is Samsung's virtual assistant, can talk on your behalf whenever you get a call on your phone. Now this can be super useful when you're in a meeting or a class and you get a very important call but you can't take it. Instead of rejecting that call and send a message informing that you're busy and you will call back later, now what you can do is you can use this feature and Bixby will answer that call on your behalf. You just need to type your response and it will be translated back to voice by Samsung Virtual Assistant. When the other person responds, Bixby again converts that into text and displays it on your screen. All of this happens in real time, and now when you are busy doing some other work, you don't have to answer your call, Bixby will do it for you. Next, a lot of you are asking me how to get these rounded icons on your home screen. Well, these are Samsung stock icons and I haven't installed any third-party icon pack from the Play Store. To get it on your phone, you will need the GoodLock application, which you can easily find on the Galaxy Store. Once you have installed GoodLock, simply open and download the theme park module from the list. Once that is done, now go inside theme park, select icons and then click on create new. Here you can easily change the shape of your app icons. I prefer to be rounded like this. You can also change the icon color, increase or decrease the size as well. Once done, simply give a name and then click on save. Finally, select the icon that you have just created and then click on apply. Now you will get these beautiful icons on your home screen, and the best part is you don't have to install any third-party app from the Play Store. Since we are in customization, let me show you another cool trick that allows you to have a different wallpaper every time you lock and unlock your phone. So you can see right now I have this wallpaper, and if I lock and unlock my phone, I have a brand new wallpaper. All these are handpicked by me and these are not automatically generated by any Samsung service. Now let me show you how you can easily set up multiple wallpapers on your lock screen. Just go to your gallery and select the album in which you have saved all your favorite wallpapers that you have downloaded from applications like Backdrops or any other wallpaper apps. Now select all the wallpapers in this album, tap on the three dots, select set as wallpaper, finally click on done. Now when you lock and unlock your phone, every time you will have a brand new wallpaper. I think it's a really cool feature to keep your phone looking fresh every time you unlock it. If you want, you can create more albums with different set of wallpapers and you just need to follow the same process. Definitely try this one out. Next, let me show you a useful feature that's been added with One UI 5.1. Again, if I open the gallery app, tap on this menu button, then select settings, you get this option called About Gallery. Just go inside and tap on this version number for 11 times. Now if you go back, you will find a new option called Gallery Labs. Simply open, and now with One UI 5.1, we have got a new toggle called Support Save as PDF. Once you turn it on, you will be able to convert multiple pictures in your gallery as PDF file. Let me show you how this actually works. To do this, you will need to select multiple pictures that you would like to convert, then tap on this option called Create. You see at the bottom there is a new option called Save as PDF. Just click on it and all your images gets converted into a PDF file and it gets saved inside the Files app. I think it's a very useful feature that helps you to convert all your favorite pictures into a PDF file. When I want to open apps in a pop-up window, I just need to double tap on the back of my phone. I think it's the easiest way to open apps in a pop-up window and it definitely improves the multitasking experience. To activate this feature on your Samsung phone, again you will need the GoodLock application and this time install the module called Registar. Now open Registar, select back tap action and assign the double tap gesture to open apps in a pop-up window. Not only this, you can also assign different action for the triple tap gesture. You can take screenshots, you can access Google Assistant and open your favorite apps as well. Guys, I will highly recommend you to install this module and start using some exclusive features on your Samsung phone. Finally, let me show you how I set up this extra shortcut on my home screen. What it does is, whenever I tap on this icon, it activates the extra dim feature. Basically, it dims the screen beyond the minimum brightness, and I use it at night when I don't want to disturb others. Instead of opening the quick settings and then turn on the extra dim toggle, I just use this shortcut on my home screen. Now to add this button, go to settings, select accessibility and then select advanced settings. Here you will see an option called accessibility button. You can select different actions for this button and I prefer using it for extra dim. If you are using gestures on your phone, then instead of adding a button, you can just add a floating icon like this. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are some amazing hidden features that will definitely take your Samsung experience to the next level. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.